Hello everyone, myself lecturer Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the experiments from pharmaceutics 2. So first of all, let's discuss about the monophasic liquid dosage forms. Liquid meant for external administration, in that liquids to be instilled into body cavities, eardrops. Eardrops are instilled into the ear with the dropper and generally prepared in water, glycerine, propylene glycol. They are used for cleaning the ear or softening the wax. Recommended containers for eardrops are colored fluted glass bottle fitted with a dropper in a cap, and special labeling instructions for eardrop are for external use only. In next session we will see in detail about the experiment. Let's discuss about experiment number 24. Title of our today's experiment is to prepare and submit eardrop 10 ml. In this we will going to study formulation and method of preparation of eardrops. Learning objectives are to understand the purpose of eardrops, ability to prepare and label eardrops correctly. Apparatus required are beaker, glass rod, funnel, measuring cylinder, cotton, filter paper, etc. Factor calculated as quantity required upon quantity given, that is equal to 10 upon 100 is equal to 0.1. So this is the prescription given. Let's discuss in detail about the formulation table. So type, that is use or role of ingredient. Translation means the name of ingredient, quantity given in the imperial system for 30 ml, but we have directly given quantity in metric system. So quantity given in the metric system for 30 ml, quantity taken in the metric system for 10 ml. Sodium bicarbonate used as a soften the dry and harden earwax. Quantity given for 30 ml is 5 gram. Multiply it with factor 0.1, we will get 0.5 gram. Glycerine used as a viscosity enhancer. Quantity given is a 30 ml. Multiply it with factor 0.1, we will get 3 ml. Purified water used as a vehicle. Quantity given, quantity sufficient up to 100 ml. So to prepare up to 10 ml, we have to add quantity sufficient up to 10 ml. Direction for external use only. For performing actual experiment, we will move towards laboratory. So now let's proceed for actual experiment in this laboratory. So we have this sodium bicarbonate which is previously weighed. This is glycerine. This is a purified water. So first of all we are going to add this sodium bicarbonate into this purified water and going to mix it properly by stirring. With continuous agitation we mix it properly. So now let's add glycerine into it. Some particles are seen, so let's proceed for filtration. We are going to perform filtration through this filtration assembly. So our filtrate is ready. Let's proceed for volume makeup. So we are going to add this purified water into it for making volume up to 10 ml. So we make up the volume. Now let's fill this into this container in the dropper, and then next proceed for labeling part. So after filling our formulation in this dropper bottle, let's proceed for labeling part. Eardrop 10 ml. For ABC, here one can write name of patient, register number XYZ, that is number given in the register, dispensed by TQR means name of pharmacist, manufacturing date September 2020, storage condition store in cool and dark place, shake well before use. One more direction for external use only as directed by physician. Manufactured by Element Farms in Nasik, here one can write the name of pharmaceutical industry. Result, the 10 ml of eardrop is submitted in this colored fluted bottle for special instruction on label as for external use